want to make a thermostat I can display my room temperature on this display, and I have two temperature sensors here. I have an idea. I need an entire Arduino board. Yes, perfect. A giant development board just to display one number. Maybe I should also add a gaming graphic card, industrial cooling, nuclear power plant. Wait, this tiny chip can literally do the same thing.
Hello there. Welcome back.
So in this video, I will show you how to program an ATTiny 85 using a normal Arduino UNO, and we will build a tiny computer monitor using an I2C LCD and a thermistor. And the best part, we won't need the entire board running the project. Why ATTiny 85? The Arduino UNO is amazing for learning electronics, but in many small projects, the board itself becomes unnecessary, because the real brain of the Arduino is actually just the microcontroller. And this tiny ATTiny 85 can already handle many simple projects. It's smaller, cheaper, consumes less power, and makes your project look much more professional. For this project, we will need one ATTiny 85, one Arduino UNO, one I2C LCD display, one 7K thermistor, one 10K resistor, one 10 microfarad capacitor, a breadboard, and some jumper OS. Normally, when you upload code to an Arduino, the USB chip on the board programs the microcontroller. But today, we will transform the Arduino UNO into a programmer, and the ATTiny 85 becomes the actual computer running the project. First, we need to install ATTiny support inside the Arduino IDE. Open Arduino IDE, go to Files, then Preferences, and inside Additional Boards Manager URLs, paste this link. Then click OK. Now go to Tools, Board Manager, search for ATTiny core, and install it. Now connect the Arduino UNO to the computer. Open Examples, go to Arduino ISP, and upload this sketch to the UNO. This converts the Arduino UNO into ISP programmer. Now we need to add a capacitor between reset and GND on the Arduino board. The negative side of the capacitor goes to GND and the positive side goes to reset. This prevents the UNO from restarting while programming the ATTiny 85. Now let's connect the ATTiny 85 to the Arduino UNO. ATTiny pin 8 goes to 5 volts. ATTiny pin 4 goes to the ground. ATTiny pin 1 connects to Arduino pin 10. ATTiny pin 5 connects to Arduino pin 11. ATTiny pin 6 connects to Arduino pin 12, and ATTiny pin 7 connects to Arduino pin 13. These pins are used for SPI communication during programming. Now let's connect the I2C LCD. LCD VCC goes to 5 volt. LCD GND goes to ground. LCD STA connects to ATTiny pin 5, and LCD SCL connects to ATTiny pin 7. One reason I2C is useful is because it saves pins, and with a tiny microcontroller like this, that becomes very important. Now let's connect the thermistor. One side of the thermistor goes to 5 volts. The other side connects to ATTiny analog pin A2 and also connects to a 10K resistor going to ground. This creates a voltage divider. As the temperature changes, the resistor changes, and the ATTiny 85 converts that voltage into temperature. Now let's open the thermostat code. This code reads the analog value from the thermistor, calculates the temperature, and display it on the LCD. Before uploading the code, we need the correct board settings. Go to Tools, Board, and select ATTiny 24/45/85. Then select Chipped ATTiny 85, clocked 8 MHz internal, and programmer Arduino as ISP. Now This next part is very important. Most beginners make this mistake. Do not click the normal upload button because the Arduino 85 does not have a serial uploader like the Arduino UNO. Instead, first click Burn bootloader. This does not actually install bootloader. It only configures the fuse bits and internal clock settings. After that, go to Sketch and click Upload using Programmer, or simply press Shift and Upload. And there is it. Our Arduino 85 now reads computer and displaying it on a LCD display, all using this tiny microcontroller. Look at the difference. Same functionality but much simpler. This is why many embedded systems don't use full development board, then only use the microcontroller itself. With Arduino 85 project, you can build mini thermostat, battery powered sensors, tiny robot, portable gadget, and compact electronics project. If you enjoy this project, subscribe for more electronic and embedded system video. And in the next video, I may show you how to make a custom PCB version of this project. See you in the next one.